Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Happy Thanksgiving surprise fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our turkey surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. I'm going to start off by lining up the corners and giving it a nice fold right down the middle. Next, I'm going to line up one more time and give it another nice fold down the middle. Now when I open it up, I have these nice little guidelines to show me where I need to keep the inside of my drawing. And I like to turn my paper this way so I can open it up for a nice surprise. Now to start off with this, let's begin with the beak of our turkey. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's just going to come up and down. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down and then up here. Starting here, I'm going to draw a circle for an eye. And then over here, I'm going to draw another circle for an eye. Then starting in here, I'm going to make a circle for the pupil, and then another one. And I'm going to color in most of this, leaving just a little bit white. Right here, I'm going to make a line that comes up for an eyebrow, and then one here. Then I'm going to curve this up for the top of the head. I'm going to make a couple little points for some feathers. And then I'm going to curve this down. And then on the beak, I'm going to make two little dots for the nose. Next, I'm going to curve this in. And then I'm going to curve this in right here. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that comes down on each side. And then I'm just going to make a little bumpy line to connect this. Then I'm going to draw a line here and a line here. Now I'm going to make some feathers on the back here. So I'm going to start here and I'm going to make a big line that comes up and down. And then another one here. And then one more right here. I'll make a little wavy line across the top of each one. And then let's make a line right down the middle. And I like to put a couple of V's on here just to make it look like some feathers. Now our next step is to open this up and draw the inside. Now when I open this up, I have two halves of my turkey. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a line that just comes down here to connect the beak. And then right up here, I'm going to draw a little line that's going to come out. It's going to curve around and come up for like the little gobble of the turkey. Then I'm going to bring this line down and just connect it here. Next, I'm going to bring this line down and this line up. Then I'll bring this line up here, the curve, and a little line across so it looks like a smile. I'll bring this line down and we'll come right up to here. Then I want to make a little tongue sticking out of my turkey. So I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up and down. And then another one's just going to come down and then back to here. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that comes down. And then over the tongue and down again. And then one more, it's just going to come down. and then right to here. Now, right inside of here, I want to write the words Happy Thanksgiving. So I'm just going to start right here, and I'm just going to write the word happy. So I'm going to make this nice and big when I write this, and I'm going to kind of put some of these letters behind here a little bit, just so I can fit the whole word in here. So I'm just going to make the word happy right inside of here. So we'll get all the letters in here. And you don't even have to write it this way. You can do it however you want to. It's your choice. So we got the word happy. Then we're going to put Thanksgiving. Now when we do Thanksgiving, we're going to kind of do it the same way, but we got to keep it kind of smaller. So I'm going to start off by making a T. Then I'm going to put an H in here. We'll get the A next. Then we'll do the N. We'll put our K right in here. I'll kind of keep it behind the N a little bit. We'll do the S. Then we'll get our G in here. Put our I. Our V. Another I. An N right here, and then we'll get our last G in here, kind of right by the turkey's mouth. And then you can always you can add some extra details around there if you want to, but I'm just going to keep it kind of simple and leave it like that. And then this is a great way to make like a nice Thanksgiving card for your family. When you have it all closed up, you just have a simple looking turkey, and then when you open it, he's saying Happy Thanksgiving. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.